Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're ready to navigate. First, open Apple Maps or your chosen app and make sure location services are allowed so the phone can get a GPS fix. Then tap Search and type the address, place name, or paste coordinates. Select the correct result from the list. Once the map shows the pin, pick the travel mode, drive, walk, transit, or cycle, and review alternative routes. Finally, tap Go to start turn-by-turn guidance and hear voice directions as you move. Once underway, glance at the live route overview to orient yourself. Swipe up or tap the route card for step-by-step directions and a precise ETA. Make sure voice guidance and lane guidance are set at a comfortable volume in the app's audio settings so you don't miss turns. If traffic changes, the app will suggest reroutes. Accept them or choose Manage Route to add a stop, avoid tolls, or exclude highways. Keeping the screen dim but audible saves battery while still giving clear instructions. When you arrive, tap End to stop guidance and optionally save the location to favorites for quick access later. This helps for repeat trips. If the map jumps or shows the wrong location, first try toggling airplane mode for a few seconds or locking and unlocking location access. Recalibrate the compass by moving the phone in a figure 8. If that doesn't fix it, update iOS, remove metallic cases that block signals, or briefly enable Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.